Is it too late or too early to upload this video? So, not wasting much time, let's start. We are going to make a Santa Claus out of this egg. तो ये सेंटा क्लॉज बनाने के लिए हमें इस एग के अंदर का मटेरियल को निकालना पड़ेगा। तो उस मटेरियल को निकालने के लिए हम पेंसिल से मार्क करके इसको काट लेंगे सर्जिकल ब्लेड से। So after removing the material from the help of this hole, हम आगे सेंटा क्लॉज बनाने का काम चालू कर सकते हैं।
Played the guitar, she asked me what does it mean, the Gaelic ink on your arm, said it was one of my friend's songs, do you want to drink on? She took Jamie as a chaser, Jack for the fun, she got Arthur on the table with Johnny riding a shotgun, chatted some more, one more drink at the bar, then put down on the jukebox, got up to dancing, and she played her fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman, kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands, and baby I just wanna dance, you know she whiskey and wine. She fill up her lungs with the cold air of the night. I walked her home and she took me inside. Finished some Doritos and another bottle of wine. I swear I'm gonna put you in a song that I write about a Galway girl and a perfect night. Perfect night, perfect night, perfect night, perfect night, perfect night, perfect night, perfect night. Whiskey and wine. She fill up her lungs with the cold air of the night. I walked her home and she took me inside. Finished some Doritos and another bottle of wine. I swear I'm gonna put you in a song that I write about a Galway girl and a perfect night. Perfect night, perfect night, perfect night, perfect night, perfect night.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए मेरे इस चैनल को क्लिक क्रिएशंस।